Top 5 Hacks to Build an Email Marketing List. For most B2B companies, email marketing is the one and only sure-shot attempt at getting your prospects to read your email. What most people forget today is that decision makers and C-level executives in most companies globally check their email more than once a day, as against spending time on social media, which is dominated by the remaining workforce. The email templates and content you send out is as important as the quality of your email list. But let's leave that out for another post. Depending on your strategy, your email lists can shrink as members opt out of email subscriptions. Or grow more and more in number in case your marketing endeavor is a great success. But remember that building your email list through organic channels acquired across your digital assets is a long and time-consuming process. 1. Ask for referrals. The easiest way to create an email referral system is just to request your customers to share the newsletter they just received from you with someone they think might enjoy it. If you want to build your email list, then sign-up forms will always come in handy for you. While the first point appeals to the reader, this option is tailor-made for the acquaintance that they will forward their email to. By doing something as simple as including a link to your sign-up page in the newsletter, you can make it extremely easy for someone who received your newsletter from a friend to opt into your list. It enhances their user experience and goes a long way in growing the numbers of your list. It also provides you an opportunity to convert these prospects into your loyal customers. 2. Build an opt-in form. A solid growth hack, based on my experience, is to create an opt-in form to get your audience to sign up. Adding these on your website for email sign-ups is a great idea. But having sign-up forms on other pages of the sites, including the main blog page and every blog one writes, is probably a better idea. Design your opt-in form and write an impressive few lines that will be extremely helpful for your audience. To get sign-ups for your email list, create a sign-up form that clearly indicates the benefits of signing up to your emails. People will willingly provide their email addresses to you if they find your content helpful, as they'll get updated each time you add more content. 3. Add a chat box sign-up. With the rise of automation, using chat windows to encourage potential customer sign-up is gaining momentum slowly. They are also an effective method to increase email lists. The method has been around for some time, but its benefits have eluded the users for a long time. An overwhelming majority of customers would agree that they would prefer immediate redressal of their questions and doubts as soon as they face them. It is true in case of sales, marketing, and even customer servicing. If the customer is not getting what he wants or hearing the justifications that he or she needs to hear, the chances of the customer leaving increases exponentially. 4. Build a landing page. Building a landing page is also a great idea to build your email list. And this is where giveaways come into the place. Build a landing page on your website and offer some giveaway of value to your audience for signing up. This could be anything from an ebook to discount vouchers. Hosting giveaways is a great way to funnel and segment interested leads and prospective customers. This is a good way to attract people who are interested in your offering and weed out disinterested people, which allows for increased specificity and better utilization of time and resources. The first step is to zero in on something that your prospective customers will value. However, choosing the right giveaway is very challenging. 5. Build a custom data list. If you do not have the time and resources to build your list organically over a long duration and want a quick fix, you are better off getting data experts to build a custom leads list based on the job title and location or companies you wish to target. You could get a leads list complete with first name, last name, email ID, company, and most important LinkedIn profile. URL email marketing just with the email ID is dumb stupid in today's digital world. However, a data-driven custom email marketing campaign will set you up for success right away. Knowing your leads could help you tailor custom email campaigns by grouping your prospects based on product interests, company, geography, job title, etc. Most of all, you could connect with them on LinkedIn and get to know them better. Forward that leads to a regional sales team or even decide who will be the right person to pitch to your leads. Send them custom offers, invites to relevant events, ensuring a higher response and success rate. Thanks for watching.